Don't you just love this plaid wallpaper? How perfect is that going to be in the castle?
Absolutely perfect, my little Hildy-Weldy.
Just think, Grimmy. In a few hours, Jollywood will be all ours. We'll have that great big castle all to ourselves. Me and my putrid little pumpkin head.
Oh, my little wickedy witch.
My hunk of horrors.
My conniving cutie.
My diabolical dreambow.
My gorgeous goblin.
My detestable darling.
My malevolent moonbeam.
My spoopy-wooby chum-chum-loopy-doopsy-whoopsy head.
My Zuzu squeezy-weezy binky-winky pinky face.
Who's Hildy's little hubby? Who is he? Who?
Oh, Quimmy's Hildy's little hubby. Yes, he is. She knows who.
Would you knock it off? How's a fella supposed to escape with you making those disgusting kissy noises? Blech! Oops.